the lookout where Bell's Beach can be easily seen. It's not a big beach, but definitely the waves here are something like a mecca to surfers. So I'm just walking down to the lookout so we can look over the beach. You can see how small it is, and a lot of surfers out waiting for the big one, almost like a crowd of people, but you will see. There's some here on this side, and then on the other side.
How long do they think they're good?
There's the stair to go down to the beach, or the steps. Here's someone clearly wanting to catch the big one. As you can see, it's not a big beach. It's very, very small. Although it does extend further out here.